There's Paul drawing in his notebook, and there's Angelica with a little washcloth on her head because Paul put it on her head. Yeah. Yes, he did. She's all excited. I don't know why, but she is. You're so fun. Do you see Mommy with the camera? Hmm? She's coming for it just like Paul did when he was a baby. Just coming for the camera. Let's go see what Paul's drawing. What are you drawing, Paul? You drawing circles? Wow. That's a pretty picture. Look at the camera. Say hi. Well, she just pulled up, it looks like. I missed it. Look how brave she's getting. Today is September, I think it's the 13th. It's Monday. She's been cranky most of the morning, but now she's getting into her playful mood. I think she was just really tired. She took a nap while she was nursing. Then she bumped herself quite a few times. Didn't go over very well. Yeah. Do you see Brother's shoes? Do you see Brother's shoes? She is 6.5 months. She sees the camera strap. See how ambitious she is. She's got ideas. Definite ideas. Uh-oh, here comes Paul. Paul, be nice to sister. Be nice to sister. Oh my. He is a handful, I tell you. Such a handful. They both are.